Dr. Sheetal, I have seen women who have, gone through a miscarriage, including me, that they often blame themselves for this experience.
Yeah.
So, can you tell us the common causes of miscarriage?
So miscarriage is something which is routinely seen in our practice. Now, it is very common to see a female coming pregnant for the first time, and in the first 3-4 weeks of a pregnancy, when we do a scan, probably there is no cardiac activity, the fetal heartbeat is not there, and definitely that is like a very sad news which we have to declare to the patient. So recurrent miscarriage is something which we are actually bothered about, which occurs if the miscarriage is happening repeatedly.
Yeah.
So if it is happening 2 times, 3 times, then that is definitely a very serious concern. But otherwise, out of all the pregnancies which we see, 10 to 20% of the females do have a miscarriage, and a single miscarriage should not actually dishearten you. I understand that it's a very, very sensitive thing, and it's a big loss for the female. But just to reassure everyone, one should definitely be careful and investigate if it's one miscarriage, but at the same time should be hopeful that it might not get repeated in the next pregnancy.
Right. And just to reiterate on the same, that you're saying that miscarriages are quite common. So you mean that in the first trimester, the early miscarriages are quite common, right?
Yeah. And you were asking about the common causes of this early miscarriage.
Yeah.
So usually such early miscarriages happen because of some problem.